Welcome to General Building and Construction, that is GBC. In today's class we are going to discuss about doors used in construction. So doors in construction, we will start by definitions of the word doors and the terminologies. The definition of the term door. A door is a movable barrier secured in an opening known as a doorway. So guys, that opening where a door is placed is called a doorway. Through a building wall or a partition for the purpose of providing access to the inside of a building or rooms of a building. So here we find the purpose of our door is to provide access to the inside of a building or rooms. We also have another definition of the word door. A door is a movable barrier to an opening in the wall that permits people to pass through. It is a movable barrier to an opening, and a door moves as it allows people to pass through into the building. So here we found the door terminologies. The door terminologies are basically three. We have the door leaf, door ironmongery, and door frames. We start by the word door leaf. Door leaf, it is that panel that opens and closes. So the part of the door that opens and closes, that is the door leaf. We go to door ironmongery. Door ironmongery refers to the hardware used on doors to improve their functionality and or appearance. Example of door ironmongeries, we have the door handles, locks, hinges, etc. These examples, like door handles, they improve the functionality of the door and also the appearance. We find that a door handle or a door lock will improve the functionality so that the door will be more secure and privacy will be maintained. We go to functions of doors. We start by this one. The main function of the door is to maintain privacy and safety inside the room or house when it is closed. So you find the main function is to maintain privacy and safety inside the room, so that when the room is locked, there will be maximum privacy and maximum safety. When the door is closed, no one will enter without permission until the door is opened. The next function is it gives an aesthetic view to the house. You can imagine a house without a door. How will it look like? But a house with a beautiful door or a well-designed door, it will have a good appearance and a beautiful appearance. Hence, aesthetic view will be maintained. We go to the next functions. Doors provide connecting link between the various internal rooms of the house. Doors will only provide link between the various internal rooms of the house. Example, a door is used to connect two rooms, like a bedroom and a sitting room, or a kitchen with a dining hall, or a sitting room with a veranda. So you find between the sitting room and the veranda, there we have a door which is connecting the two rooms. We go to the next function. Open door provides lighting and ventilation in various rooms in the house. You'll find that a door, when it is opened, it will provide natural light through into the building, and it will also permit the fresh air into the building. Hence, it acts as a ventilation structure. Guys, let's look about functional requirements of door. A door, for it to function properly, it must observe the following functional requirements. We'll start with strength and stability. For a door to function very well, it should be of a maximum strength and should be stable in order to support its own load and the loads from the frames and ironmongeries. Next is resistance to weather. A door should resist weather elements. It should not be affected by the impact of weather elements like wind, rainfall, and humidity. The next one is durability and freedom from maintenance. A door should serve a long purpose, hence the durability. So when you are making a door or selecting a door, ensure that you select a door which is durable and free from maintenance. We also have fire safety. A door should be fire resistant in order to give maximum time for people to escape in case of fire in a building or in a room. We have resistance to heat passage. A door should regulate the amount of heat entering or leaving the room. We also have resistance to the passage of sound. It should regulate the sound, or it should not allow passage of sound from one room to another. Then security, prevention of unauthorized entry. For a door to function like a door, it should be secure. It should also prevent entry of an unauthorized person. It should also maintain privacy when it is locked. We go straight to the types of doors. Here we want to enlighten ourselves on different types of doors, and we will start with the button and ledge door. This one is a button and ledge door. It consists of ledges, buttons. It also have here a door lock, which is in the class of ironmongeries. So this door is given the name button and ledge because of its members, because it consists of button and ledge members. We go to the second type of door, which is buttoned, ledge, and frame door. Buttoned, ledge, and frame door is made up of the buttons, which are the vertical members, and ledges, which are horizontal members, and the frames, which are also vertical members. Hence the name buttoned, ledge, and frame door. The next type of door is buttoned, ledge, braced, and frame door. The door is made up of the buttons, which are the vertical members also. It's also made up of ledges, horizontal members. It has 3 ledges. Here we have 1, 2, then the third one. It also made up of braces. This is a brace. This one, it consists of 2 braces and 2 frames. This, hence the name buttoned, ledge, and braced and frame door. We go to the next type of is glassed doors. Glassed doors. Glassed doors are made up of glasses. Glass is the main component that is made up of that makes up that door. So we find this is the glass, this is the glass, this is the glass, this is the glass, hence the name glassed door. We go to flash doors. Flash doors, these are the doors mainly used in partitioning rooms. They provide access and security in those rooms. They are made up of timber wood, and particle boards. We go to the next type of door, which is framed panel doors. The door is made up of the panels. These are the panels. It consists of the panels, the top rail, the middle rail, bottom rail, and the frames. The next we have the sliding doors. Sliding doors, these are the doors that slide horizontally and they give access to the building or the room. Like here, you see these doors, it slides to the left as it opens and slides to the right as it closes. We go to the next type is milled steel door. Milled steel door, the door panel is made up of steel. This is the door panel, which is made up of steel. Then these are the door frames. Hence the name milled steel door, because of the material that is used to make the door. Also have the rolling steel shutter door. The rolling steel shutter door, this door, it rolls upward as it opens and it rolls downward as it closes. It is made up of rolling steel. The rolling steel are the ones that roll as they create the opening. The next type is collapsible steel doors. Collapsible steel doors, they collapse to the left and to the right or on one direction as they give an opening way for people to pass or for goods and objects to pass. Guys, I want to say thank you very much for your concentration, and I think now everybody has a knowledge on types of doors, and in case you want to build, you can choose the appropriate type which will be suitable for your construction. Thank you very much.